Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a task in ClickUp using n8n, so you can automate task creation and connect your productivity tools seamlessly. Whether you're trying to save time, reduce manual work, or build smarter workflows between apps like Slack and ClickUp, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and head over to the n8n website. Make sure you're logged into your n8n account before continuing. If you're already signed in, great, you're ready to go. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Templates section. This is where n8n provides ready-made workflows designed to make automation faster and easier. Next, when the Templates page opens, check the search bar at the top. If you see any existing filters or tags applied, click the X icon to remove them. This step is important because it ensures you're seeing all available templates without restrictions. Now, click into the search bar, type Create Task in ClickUp, and press Enter. You'll immediately see a list of automation templates related to ClickUp task creation. Browse through the results and select the template that best fits your workflow needs. Each template is built slightly differently, so choose one that aligns with how you want tasks to be created in ClickUp. Once selected, click on the option labeled Use for Free. This allows you to start using the automation without any extra cost. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your ClickUp account is ready, have your API access available if required, and double-check that you're working in the correct n8n workspace. Doing this upfront can save time and prevent setup issues later. After that, click on Import to Cloud Workspace. This step brings the template into your own n8n environment, where you can customize it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect required services and configure any missing credentials. Once everything is set up, click the Save button in the top right corner. After completing these steps, your automation will be ready to create ClickUp tasks automatically, including titles, descriptions, dates, and assignees. It's also a good idea to run a test to confirm everything works as expected before using it in production. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create ClickUp tasks using n8n easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?